Hello and welcome to Vowels and Consonants. In this video, you'll learn that the letters of the alphabet can belong to two categories, vowels or consonants, and sometimes both. You already know that there are 26 letters in the alphabet. If you haven't watched it yet, find the video called Learn the Letters, then come back and watch this video. The letters of the alphabet belong to two groups, vowels or consonants. There are 5 vowels in the alphabet. They are A, E, I, O, and U. Sometimes the letter Y is also a vowel. You'll learn more about the sounds these vowels make in the video called Vowel Sounds. The rest of these letters are called consonants. They are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Notice that Y is also a consonant. You will learn more about the sounds these consonants make in the video called Consonant Sounds. It's important to know these two groups of letters because they will help you read words. Almost all words have at least one vowel in them. Let's review by looking at the whole alphabet now. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. There you have it. You now know that letters can be part of two groups, vowels or consonants. Keep practicing the alphabet with our fun games on Always Ice Cream and Clever Dragons. And as always, thank you for watching.